playing a unicorn game. Soon I'm not gonna be having a phone anymore, so because I'm gonna move house, and pretty much my house is pretty much a little bit like we have people that have been hacking into our Wi-Fi, or kind of something like that. But anyway, so I'm gonna get a new phone. I think my mum said when we move. So yeah. So I just came to say thank you for subscribing. I've had my YouTube channel for years, but I haven't actually really made videos like once in a blue moon. But when I saw the other video of the spray paint, I had to video it because it's the most disgusting thing I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Yeah. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so before I go, I'm gonna show you my characters, so, we'll see you right. Yes, we're here, we're at this place. Oh wow, so I made a mermaid, that's cool. Queen mermaid. Okay, so this is my character. So I'm gonna go onto the stage. Hold on, I've got an idea. So this is my character. We got cute eyes, some ears, nice little tail, very top coat, nice jeans and boots, I think, type of shoes. So that's my character in here. We're gonna go into a different one. Ready? Hold on. Okay, let's pause and let's go into another one. Okay guys, we're going on to the game. The game is called Super Strike, and this is my character. I'm on level 54, but I'm gonna miss it because my sister's on like a little bit lower, but she's in the hundreds. And I'm gonna miss it because I'm gonna have to start all again, and the amount of times I've had to reset my account because of the signal here is absolutely ridiculous. Which is why I'm kind of mad that I have to reset, but I guess it's for the best. I don't want to be playing but with knowing that someone's using my internet, so yeah. Sorry I can't join your party, and I'm only here to show my subscribers, so I'm just gonna leave. Okay guys, we're going on to Wild Horse Islands, one of my favorite games until I got scammed twice. Okay guys, sorry about that, I had to pause. But yeah, this is the game. Do you like my horse? You know, I didn't have Robux, so I got it for really good. Sometimes, very rarely, a really nice horse near Valentine's Day. I used to have that horse that was on. If you guys play this game, you should know. I had a Valentine's horse. You know, the one with the heart. The Valentine's horse version of these. I forgot the horse's name. I can't really say it. But yeah, and I gave it away to somebody that I trusted, but when I came on it the next day, she gave it away to someone else, and I was kind of shocked because I thought she was going to keep it because it's a limited edition, and it was really hard to get it. It was for free on it, and that's the only time that really one of those horses have been on for free, because you know, sometimes people can be rude to people that don't have Robux. I mean, it's not my fault. Mum said it's a waste of time. I think it is as well, because if you have to reset your character, you know, then really you're just wasting your money every time you have to reset. But if you're really good, but some people can report you for absolutely no reason. And like somebody called my sister the P word. I'm not gonna say it because I don't know who's gonna be watching this right now. but it's a word that ends. I know I'm not even gonna say it, but yeah, they called her a very bad word. And then some people on spray paint call people bad words. So I'm gonna show you guys my horse. I just need to go somewhere private. Girls, stop fighting. Cats, seriously. Gosh. Maybe I should get a dog to keep you guys in check. I'm just gonna catch this horse really quick. Got it. Got the horse. I'm gonna sell it for money. I know in real life that would be wrong to catch wild horses and then sell them on the market. Some people do that. In some countries it's allowed. I don't know why though. Wild horses should live in the wild. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you. Oh no, there's a girl here. Okay, never mind. Let's go somewhere else then. You know what? Let's just go down the beach. Oh, there's another version of those horses. Okay, I'm going to show you guys my horse. So, I have I have this one. This is also the same type of horse as the other one, but different color. I have this one. I have... What are the ones that I have? Oh yeah, this horse is one of the horses that a girl scammed me for. She scammed me for two of these horses, and she scammed me. She said she would add more for one of my really nice horses, but she didn't add more, and then I got scammed. I hate being scammed because I'm usually a nice person. I give away a lot of my horses to people that don't have any, which is kind of upsetting because, like, okay, I shouldn't trust strangers, but I guess I'm too kind because there was a girl I gave like a really nice big, like this horse that's grey and it's big and it's got like little like spots on it, and it's like, and I don't think I can get it again because it's for Robux, and she said that she really wanted it for her mom's birthday, so I gave it to her the day, and she said we can trade back tomorrow. And I said, okay. I tried to look for her in the game, but she wasn't there. And then she was on there earlier when I wasn't on. And then I tried to get her again on the next day. And I finally got her at the right day. And she said, so, was your mum happy? She said, by the way, no. And I said, so can I have my horse back? And she said, no, I'm keeping it. And that's when she unfriended me and she scammed me, which is really bad. I hate being scammed because it's not nice, and you don't know if people don't have Robux to get that type of horse again. It's okay if it was like a normal, like free horse or that you can buy. This is also one of my Valentine's Day horses. I actually caught this. I didn't have to buy it. I caught it, which is really cool. I also have this horse. It's like, you see this big horse here? That's how the grey one was. It was a big horse, but that was grey with little spots on it. And it was really pretty. And it cost Robux. And I don't think I'm going to be able to get it again without trading for something. But I don't like to, like, get rid of, I don't really like to trade with people because I don't trust them. Because all of my traders, pretty much, apart from a couple, I gave one of my fractions to one of them because I don't think she was telling the truth about how she's trying to get a fashion, and she's been waiting for 3 years, and she's in real life she's disabled. Because I've heard a lot of that before, and people have just been scammers, and they're just trying to get this horse. So I still gave her it anyway, because she didn't actually have that horse. She said I was very kind-hearted, and yeah. Oh, that's the wrong way. Oh, what's this horse? Oh yeah, my sister has that horse. So yeah. So now we're going to go into a game, and then after you can guess what game we're going to look for. So let's see what I'm going to go. We're going on to Horse World because I like horses, because soon we'll be moving down to the coast. Also comment down what's your favourite horse out of my whole thing. Actually, never mind about that. Just comment down my characters. 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on! I can't wait for you guys to see my horse. But first I'm going to let you see this horse. I done it this. This is kind of like how my horse was. Actually, they have the horse that I got scammed for. Let me just get it quickly. So I don't have a game pass, as you know, because it's very bad. So this is the horse that I got scammed for, except it had a white mane. I think it had a white mane. Not sure, but it's something like this. So let me reset again. And let me get this horse. I'm gonna, ta-da! This is my horse. And guess what? It has real rings. Guys, if you see me on this game, you can see, if you see me on this game or any of the games I've just shown you, then please make sure to say hello to me. But the only problem is, I'm sorry, but I can't friend people that I don't know. Mum says, safety online, so yeah, the only problem. And thank you for subscribing. That really means a lot to me. I don't really ask for much, to be honest. I remember when I first started, I remember I was so happy when I got my first subscriber. But I didn't really care, I already had one. As long as people liked me, that was fine. My sister also has a channel, but she doesn't really send videos, and she's trying to figure out how to delete her channel because she doesn't really want it. And sorry that I don't send videos every day. I just sometimes can't be bothered, mostly most of the time. When I move, I'm just gonna go horse riding, because there's a horse riding school, I think, near where I'm gonna move to. So I like horses, which is why I play a lot of horse riding games. If any one of you haven't been to Sky Island, I'm just gonna show you this. So there's if anyone hasn't played this before, there's a Sky Island that you can go to, so I'm just going to fly to it right now. I wish I was a unicorn, but you need Game Pass to do that, and it's Robux. But I can just pretend to be one with a fake horn. But these aren't fake wings, otherwise it wouldn't actually work if they were fake. Okay, this is Sky Island. It's really pretty. Gonna get some apples. Yummy. Okay, there's a nice rainbow. See it? It's a rainbow. Okay, guys, can you guess the game that's my enemy? For the game that has all the bad stuff on it? Comment down below what game I'm going to go into next. 3, 2, 1, go. That's right, it's spray paint, if you guys guessed that. Right, Subway spray paint. Okay, let me just say, some people, yeah, I know, I've been on such people, and some people in here are inappropriate, but some people aren't. Oh, see, that's a point. You see the outline? Somebody's drawing the COCK thing. And somebody keeps drawing them. And someone keeps covering them, which is good. What's this? Okay. Okay. Wait, is that the guy that's been drawing the inappropriate drawings? Yeah, I think so, because he's drawing red. What was he saying? Oh, see? Look, he said you're Gay. I need to report him. Cheesy Minix. You know what? There's always going to be people like that on Roblox. Doesn't change a thing. Okay, guys, I'm just drawing something. I'm gonna show you the picture right after I'm done. You can rate it. I don't care if you don't like it. I think I'm not as a good drawer as I don't know, as I think. No. So I'm just gonna carry on drawing this, and then I'll unpause it right after. Okay, guys, this is what I drew. I drew this. I don't really like it as much. It's not one of my best drawings, but yeah, I drew this. What? Why is this person not got a t-shirt on? Is she gonna draw my work? Guys, I think I'm gonna screenshot it. I don't know if this turns this. This might unpause the. This might turn off this. You know what? Just leave it. It's not one of my best ones anyway. So this is. I'm gonna draw, and then I'm gonna write here. What are you doing? Scribbled the whole map. What? Scribbled the whole map? I don't know. It does right in Google. What's going on? Yeah, same. I don't know what's going on either. What's it? What is that? That's disgusting. Can you see that? Who drew this? Okay, I'm gonna, you know. What? What's this? Looks like a granny. What am I gonna draw here? Oh, I know. So I'm gonna draw some here. It's gonna go like this. Okay. I'm gonna do some eyes. So I'm gonna do a green dot. Okay, good. Now I know what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm gonna draw around the eyes. That's too big. My God, that's the hugest eye I've done. Okay. Okay, that's alright, I guess. That eyebrow is messed up. The eyebrow is messed up. There you go. Please don't draw on it, otherwise that'll just be a waste. I hate people who draw on my stuff. Oh no, I forgot to change it. I'm gonna rub it out. No! This is the worst day ever. Oops, that's even worse. I forgot to lower it down. Do the same on the eye. Weird haircut. That's ridiculous. How can people vote for weird haircut? Okay, now I'm gonna do this. Make sure to level it up. Okay. Oh no. What is he gonna draw? What the heck? You know what? I'm just gonna ignore him. He don't exist to me. He can exist when he's nice, in my opinion. What is this? They wrote a swear word. I didn't see that. I should have reported. Wait, some people, but some people, they fake what other people are doing. Like, I was just drawing, and somebody reported me or kicked me, saying that I drew on somebody's work when I wasn't drawing on somebody's work. Some people are just mean. Aw, thank you. Wait, what? What's that? Oh, is that meant to be a bow? That's kind of funny. Oh my god. Okay, thank you, people. That's nice of you to do that. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No. Please don't do that. No. 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 Oh my gosh. No. No, no, no. What the? No. Oh no, now it looks so weird. Oh no. No, no, no. Stop it. Please don't. gonna draw on it because of you. Wait, May Face? She's the one who drew the inappropriate drawing? Oh my god. May Face is the one who drew an inappropriate drawing. Guys, comment down below if I should report her. Or not. Big outline. Okay, okay, I'm just gonna leave this, picture, I guess. She done nice. Just don't want anyone to scribble on it. Hopefully they don't. Yeah. Let's see if anyone scribbled on my last photo, okay? I think it is this one. She is adorable. So they're gonna kick her because she's adorable. Okay. Oh, I think I know what to do for this photo. What I'm gonna do is... It's gonna be so small. Good. Now, I'm gonna go on pink. There. Perfect. Hopefully she doesn't ruin it. I'm gonna pause it for now. Guys, look what this girl's drawing! OMG! Where is this? Okay, I'm going to the subway right... I'm gonna go to the subway right now. Did you see that, guys? Did you see it? Did you see the words? Okay, that's it. Going to the subway. I'm recording everything. Run, 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 run. Can you go any faster? I wish I had a skateboard. Oh, come on. I bet she's gonna rub it out. I'm gonna report her. Eve. Oh, so Eve drew that. Why would she draw that? What the hell? What is that? Okay, there's the faces. OMG! Eve! That's it. I'm just gonna write something. No. 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 I can't draw over them. Ah! No. What the hell? What does it say? Why would she draw that? No. Hold on. Oh yeah, sorry, I mean to make it bigger. Much better. What is she drawing? P? She said P. OMG, so what? What the? She's so disgusting. I'm gonna draw over every single piece of this. Is disgusting, gross, inappropriate, ew. What? You know what? No. Sick of people being inappropriate. Yes, you can look at me all you want. No, 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 no. No, no, no. I'm literally going to report her, and then all of this will be gone. Yes, good. Really? Does that look like one? Oh my god. Ew. So inappropriate. Okay. I have to put my phone down now. But first, no wait. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.